Tomorrow morning, we will learn how much time a former Army sergeant convicted of murdering a Black Lives Matter protester will spend in prison. Thanks for joining us at 5. I'm Daniel Marin.
And I'm Britt Moreno. The state is asking the judge to give Daniel Perry at least 25 years, but Perry's attorneys are asking for 10. Let's get out straight to Jayla Washington, who has been following this developing story from the very beginning. Jayla, if you can, walk us through what's happened today.
Hey, Britt, Daniel. Yeah, well, really, the state and defense both doing everything they can to appeal to the judge's emotions before he makes the decision, ultimately deciding how long Perry will spend behind bars. And keep in mind, this is all playing out about a month after Perry was found guilty. Now, we learned some new details about really how this is all impacting Garrett Foster's fiance still to this day, as well as some personal information about Perry that might give some a better idea of his mental state. Perhaps the final steps toward justice, but the pain and suffering far from over.
It's extremely hard to be in that house, and the house that me and him built together, and his stuff is there, and there's reminders.
Here at Daniel Perry's sentencing hearing,
he was my caregiver for 11 years.
A deeper look now into not what happened during Garrett Foster's final moments, but the memories long before that his fiance clings on to.
I went to Parsons, which is a design school in New York, and he came with me. He helped me when I couldn't do certain things, you know, like pinning the fabric for me, like helping me go and shop for fabric. It's hard to go back to it without him.
The state zeroed in on Perry's social media posts and conversations, including derogatory comments about Black people and the Black Lives Matter protests. Several of Perry's Army comrades, though, vouched for his character.
He's done more for me as my brother than anybody else in my family has.
Family sticks beside Perry, his mother talking about how he's her firstborn son and dealt with an autism diagnosis as well as a speech impediment and bullying growing up.
But junior high was pretty bad for him. He had some friends, not many.
A forensic psychologist, Dr. Greg Hupp, examined Perry. He linked some of Perry's behavior and posts to his disabilities and military culture.
We say, well, how could he do those things? How can he say those things when his best friend's a Black man? But Daniel and his friends and his comrades don't see that. And it's not really fair for us to judge.
Well, a big question a lot of people are still asking is Governor Greg Abbott going to pardon Daniel Perry? That still remains to be seen. The Board of Pardon and Paroles is reviewing the case, but no word on when a decision on that will be reached. And again, tomorrow morning, Judge Brown is expected to issue a sentencing. Daniel.
All right, Jayla, thank you very much.